Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So now I am going to show how to do the face pack with the tomato face pack. Okay, now for that we want some ingredients. Before seeing my video, please subscribe my channel. So first of all we want tomato. For that, one tomato, and we want some curd, gram flour and honey. So with these 4 ingredients, now I am going to show how to do the face pack, tomato face pack. Okay, now take one empty cup, do it into 2 pieces and cut into pieces and do this paste. Okay, now I will get the paste of tomato and 1 tablespoon of curd, 1 tablespoon of curd, and you have to just mix it. Okay, after that take the honey, half tablespoon of honey, and again you can mix it gently. You have to mix it thoroughly. And now take gram flour of 2 to 3 spoons. I am taking 2 spoons and 1 more. Okay, and again you have to mix it very gently. Okay, it will get wear your face pack. Now you can weigh your face pack. Now take a brush, and wear face pack to your face. Actually we want to do it to your face, but I am doing to my hand. You can do it to your face. Okay, it is in a face pack actually. So completely you have to spread like this. Apply. We have a lot of benefit and we'll get a skin lightening, and gram flour will absorb the exclusive oil. With the help of curd, we'll get nourished skin and glowing. Okay, with the tomato, it's remove the tan from your face. Leave it for 30 minutes. Then after 30 minutes you can wash your face. Now after leaving a 30 minutes, then you can wash your face. Believe me friend, see my both hands, how different are you seeing in my hand. So one is glowing and soft and supple, one is not good. So you have to just do it daily, twice in a day, once in a day, so you'll get the differences to how to do in the home. So it is a simple procedure to do. You can do, and believe me friends, you will try twice in a day, so you'll get a lot of different. Or else if you not have any time, do this facial 2 times in a month, you will get the best result. Thank you for watching this video, and if you like this video, please like and share and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.